Hello, everybody. June James here. Just wanted to tell you about a wonderful weekly webinar from a company called ICS that's want to help you gain access to capital or get money to grow or fund your small business. So to expand, grow, or fund your small business, and they want to help you get access to capital. In just a few minutes, I think the webinar is weekly, Monday through Friday, and even on Saturday sometimes. You can learn how small businesses and your business can access at least $100,000 worth of capital, regardless of personal credit or time in business. So they clarify sources of capital that have different underwriting criteria and have access to your EIN, which will help you gain money on the business side, and they show you how to access capital through that EIN and through grant subsidized programs as well as other programs. So like I said again, it's very informative. They guarantee you a capital raise, or they guarantee that they can get you funding to start, grow, or expand your business. It'll be worth checking it out. The webinar is short and sweet, under an hour. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Please make sure you click the link and check it out at your earliest convenience. I am June James. I wish you the best and much success.